If your furnace is blowing cold air, it can be a frustrating and uncomfortable experience. Before we dive into the troubleshooting process, it's essential to emphasize the importance of safety. If you smell gas, notice smoke, or hear a burning odor, stop the system immediately, leave the area, and contact emergency services or a qualified technician. Some common symptoms of a furnace blowing cold air include cold air blowing from the vents, insufficient heat, and increased energy bills. The most likely causes of a furnace blowing cold air include thermostat issues, airflow problems, and ignition problems. As a homeowner, you can perform some safe checks to troubleshoot the issue, such as checking the thermostat settings and air filters. However, some checks and repairs should only be performed by a qualified HVAC technician. A qualified HVAC technician will perform a series of tests to diagnose the issue and provide guidance on the best course of action. To prevent furnace issues, it's essential to perform regular maintenance, including changing the air filters regularly and scheduling annual maintenance with a qualified HVAC technician.